could mean so much for practically all the teams involved in this race to the semis. And Tokentex has had great success over Ginebra in recent history. Jong Chico and Coach Chon Reyes, these are two champion coaches matching wits tonight. And their teams fighting hard in what is essentially a do-or-die game. Kung ang pinag-uusapan dito, yung automatic semi-slot na isa na lamang ang natitira, yung isang slot napunta na sa Air 21. Here's Valenzuela. We're coming off a Ginebra timeout. They're up by just 3, 92-89. Helterbrand has been splendid all game long, and he has the ball here. Pick and roll action did not materialize. Helterbrand gets the ball back with 5 to shoot. Great defense by the Phone Pals.
They needed a stop itong Tokentex and they got it. They were able to hold on to their defense from end court to end court and forced Barangay Ginebra into a turnover.
Under 3 minutes to go. It looks like we're going to have a wild wind-up here. Here's Cardona with nowhere to go. Washington against Kagiwa. Washington with a height advantage. Washington on the move, and he will fire, and he will miss. Missed opportunity there para sa Tokentex. They're still down by 3.
And you would think they will not get that many opportunities from Barangay Ginebra.
9 to shoot. Here's Alexander against Peak. It's 1-on-1 with no help. And Alexander will miss. But it's last touch on Cardona. So bagong shot clock para sa Ginebra as we approach the last 2 minutes of the game. Helterbrand with a tough shot. That's going to be last touch on Ali Peak.
A lot of time para sa Barangay Ginebra. Remember, that came off. They've flubbed rebound.
Ito ang Outlast 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo ng Outlast maintenance-free battery. Start agad. 13 to shoot para sa Ginebra. Valenzuela having trouble with the basketball. Here's Kagiwa with 8 to shoot. Kagiwa makes his move. Kagiwa with a runner. Rebound for Alexander. Wait a minute. Basket will not count. There's a loose ball foul. It's against Alexander.
It's actually a good call. Chris Alexander was boxed out properly by Ali Peak. Lesson right there. It doesn't matter how big you are. If you're able to box out properly, hindi makukuha yung bola sa'yo. And Chris Alexander forced to foul Ali Peak to get that basketball.
1 minute and 43 remaining in the payoff period. Lamang ng tatlo ang Ginebra. But the Phone Pals will have the ball after this 30-second timeout. Let's check out our Top Power Top Players. Brought to you by Top Power Energy Drink. Top Power Energy.
Top 2 guys in scoring locals-wise out there today playing in front of you. Mark Kagiwa and Mac Cardona.
Tokentex gunning for their 9th win. Mac Cardona and the rest of the Phone Pals hoping to score back-to-back wins. Mark Kagiwa and the rest of the Gin Kings hoping to score win number 8 and keep that winning run intact. 1 minute and 39 to go. Bola ng Tokentex down by just 3. Enqualo can tie the game with a 3-pointer if he can find an opening. Ito na si Cardona. Look for the floater and it's no good. 2 missed opportunities for Tokentex.
We did say there will not be that many opportunities para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Rather for Tokentex, they've missed 2 so far. Now they're forced to have another stop against Barangay Ginebra.
Here's Helterbrand. Inside, Kagiwa! 22 points off the bench para kay Mark Kagiwa, and it's a 5-point game with 1 minute to go. And that's an air ball mula kay Jimmy Alapag.
Well, they may have just shot themselves on the foot with that shot. Dahil 5 lang yung kalamangan nun. Now, bola pa ng Barangay Ginebra. Ang Ginebra pa ang may kaalamangan ng 5.
Under a minute to go. JJ Elterbrand taking a sweet time with 10 on the shot clock. Now he'll make his move with 7 to shoot. Elterbrand fires. Scores! And that is your left hook to the jaw. And that will floor Talking Text here with 38 seconds to go.